Here comes Max. Hi, Max. So, you're probably wondering, more food? Okay, so the center, that is venison, and this is steak, and it was given to me by a friend whose mother was going to throw out the steak because there was freezer burn on there, but Max doesn't care about the freezer burn. And then we thought she didn't want the venison, so we thought we'd try the venison. So we'll see whether or not Max wants it. What is he doing right now? Please excuse the mess. It is a mess in here. I have not had time to clean it. Leave the dog food alone, Max. Where's your ball? See that little football? He has been having fun with this. Oh, let's see. Max, Max, Max. Leave the dog food alone. Oh, he's all wet. Max. Ready, 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 ready. Nope, he's going back to the dog food. That's to feed. No, no, no. Stop it now. Behave yourself. Yes. Butt pat. Get. I want to see if you're going to eat that food. Okay, we'll try. Hold on one second. He's still going out this food. Leave that alone. Leave it alone. Maxwell! Max! Get. Go in. Come on. Let's go. You coming? Are you coming? Come on. One track mind. No. Go. Let's go in. All the way in. You good boy. Yes. Smell it? It's food. Up. Oh my gosh. Max, go get in. Leave that alone. All the way in. In. Well, of course he's going to go for the steak first because it's chunked. But I bet you anything, he will eat that venison. And I still have half a pound left to feed him. I'll add it to tomorrow's food. I am not going to bother him because you know what happens when you bother Max while he eats. So, it is morning and Max is just now eating. Hi, baby. Hi. The venison. I checked on it this morning. He hadn't touched it. And I thought, well, you know, if he's hungry, he'll eat it. It's been a while since he's eaten ground food. He is used to taking a chunk and chowing down on it. So ground kind of throws him for a loop because he has to lick it up and there's no chewing. And it looks like it is gone. So I don't have to throw out the other bit of venison that I have for him tonight. You good boy, Max. Look, he is shedding. Look at this. It is just... Poor baby. Oh. Okay, Maxwell, I'm going to have to go to work. We'll see you later. Max. Oh, Max. Max. Oh, he's making sure he gets every little piece. Say hello, Max. Hi, Max. Hi, Max. 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 He never comes when I call him. Max. Okay. See you later, guys. There's the face. Oh, here comes the butt. Okay. It's a good boy. It's a good boy.